Hello everybody. Welcome to another electronic repair video. Today we are going to replace a power button. This is the board of a Samsung Galaxy S4 phone. After the replacement, I will show and explain how to check a power button like this one. We added a little bit of flux. Remember that flux cleans the oxidation on the surface. This helps to transfer the heat and enables the solder to adhere to the clean metal surface when we do soldering. We are going to add leaded solder to all the soldered parts on this power button. The melting point of leaded solder is around 183 degrees Celsius versus the melting point of lead-free solder that is around 227 degrees Celsius. That is 44 degrees Celsius less heat on the component and the board. Working with lower temperature on the board means that the risk of damaging something with heat is lower too. The melting point of the solder depends on the composition and the quality of the solder. The best solder for electronics is made with 63% of tin and 37% of lead, which has the lowest melting point of all the tin lead alloys. Set the hot air station to 340 degrees Celsius. Direct the airflow on top of the power button. With 340 degrees Celsius, the plastic on the power button will not melt and the board will be safe, but we have to heat the area a little bit longer. Take your time, don't rush. Grab the power button with the tweezers and pull it gently. Use ceramic tweezers. You can heat the tips of the tweezers all day long, and you don't have to worry about burning your hand that is holding the tweezers because not much heat will transfer from the ceramic part to the metal part of the tweezers. When we feel that the button is loose, we pull it out from the board. Wick all the solder with desoldering wick. Clean with isopropyl alcohol. Add flux to the pads. Place the power button in position. Push the power button towards the board to make sure it sits flat on top of the board. Then solder the power button with leaded solder. Clean with isopropyl alcohol. Select resistance mode on the multimeter. Place each probe on each pin of the power button. When we press the button, the multimeter should read 0 ohms. When we release the button, the multimeter should read a high resistance value. If the multimeter measures 0 ohms without pressing the power button, the button is bad. If the multimeter does not measure 0 ohms when the power button is pressed, the button is bad. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below if this video was useful and tell me how may I create better content for you. Thank you and see you on the next video.